Building talent pipelines in organizations is a critical component of strategic workforce planning, enabling companies to identify, develop, and retain future leaders and key talent. A talent pipeline refers to a pool of talented individuals who have the potential to fill critical roles within an organization. By building a strong talent pipeline, organizations can ensure continuity, drive innovation, and maintain a competitive edge in the market. One of the key benefits of building talent pipelines is the ability to anticipate and prepare for future leadership needs. By identifying and developing future leaders, organizations can reduce the risk of leadership gaps and ensure a smooth transition when key leaders depart. This requires a deep understanding of the organization's strategic objectives, its current and future talent needs, and the skills and competencies required to drive success. To build a strong talent pipeline, organizations must first identify the key roles that are critical to their success. These roles may include leadership positions, technical experts, or other specialized roles that require unique skills and competencies. Once these roles have been identified, organizations can begin to identify potential candidates who have the potential to fill these roles in the future. This may involve talent assessments, succession planning, and career development programs. Talent assessments are a critical component of building talent pipelines. These assessments can help organizations identify individuals with high potential, assess their strengths and development needs, and provide feedback and coaching to support their growth and development. Talent assessments can take many forms, including cognitive ability tests, personality assessments, and behavioral evaluations. By using a combination of these assessments, organizations can gain a comprehensive understanding of an individual's potential and identify areas for development. Succession planning is another key component of building talent pipelines. Succession planning involves identifying and developing future leaders to fill critical roles within an organization. This requires a deep understanding of the organization's leadership needs, as well as the skills and competencies required to succeed in these roles. By identifying and developing future leaders, organizations can ensure continuity and reduce the risk of leadership gaps. Career development programs are also essential in building talent pipelines. These programs can help employees develop the skills and competencies required to succeed in critical roles and provide them with the opportunity to gain new experiences and build their professional networks. Career development programs can take many forms, including training and development programs, mentorship and coaching, and job rotations. By providing employees with opportunities for growth and development, organizations can build a strong talent pipeline and ensure that they have the skills and competencies required to drive success. And in addition to these strategies, organizations can also use various tools and technologies to support talent pipeline development. For example, talent management systems can help organizations track employee development, identify talent gaps, and provide insights into the skills and competencies required to drive success. These systems can also help organizations identify potential candidates for critical roles and provide them with the development opportunities they need to succeed. Another important aspect of building talent pipelines is diversity and inclusion. Organizations must prioritize diversity and inclusion in their talent pipeline development efforts, ensuring that they have a diverse pool of talented individuals who can fill critical roles. This requires a commitment to creating an inclusive culture, providing opportunities for underrepresented groups, and addressing biases in the talent development process. By prioritizing diversity and inclusion, organizations can build a strong talent pipeline that reflects the needs and perspectives of their customers and stakeholders. Leadership plays a critical role in building talent pipelines. Leaders must prioritize talent development, provide opportunities for growth and development, and create a culture that supports continuous learning and innovation. They must also be willing to invest time and resources in talent pipeline development, recognizing that it's a long-term strategy that requires patience, commitment, and dedication. In conclusion, building talent pipelines is a critical component of strategic workforce planning, enabling organizations to identify, develop, and retain future leaders and key talent. By identifying key roles, assessing talent, developing future leaders, and providing opportunities for growth and development, organizations can build a strong talent pipeline that drives continuity, innovation, and success. With the right strategies, tools, and leadership, organizations can build a talent pipeline that meets their current and future needs and positions them for long-term success.